Let's start with a metaphorical story where languages are people. Baby English was born into the Germanic family and grew up alongside her siblings such as German, Dutch, and Swedish, until about the age of 5. During this time she learned the basic words, mostly of Germanic origin, the kind one picks up at home in early childhood. Around 5, English was adopted into the Romance family, guided by Auntie Latin, and spent much of her time with her cousin French. From then on, most of the words English acquired, especially those for more complex ideas, the ones that one typically learns at school from the age of 5, came from French and Latin origins. This shaped the rich, hybrid language we know today as English. Spanish is a Romance language, meaning it directly evolved over time from Latin, the language of the Roman Empire. As an English speaker, you have a secret weapon for learning Spanish that's often underutilized: your knowledge of English. A significant portion of the English vocabulary, some estimate as high as 60%, comes from Latin or French, another Romance language. With a bit of guidance, you can easily recognize, learn, and retain many Spanish words that are cognates, words that share a common linguistic origin with English. Now you may wonder, how often will I encounter cognates? The answer is quite often. The 90-10 rule, based on our estimates, approximately 90% of word occurrences in everyday Spanish consist of either high-frequency words or recognizable cognates of common English words, which are straightforward for an English speaker to learn. The guiding principles of our course are full leverage of the 90-10 rule, with cognate explanations and comprehensible immersion in authentic articles and videos. Try to complete 1 or 2 lessons a day. Without further ado, let's start.